I'm going to be cutting and showing you the deposited high pressure hose breakage that was caused by the high pressure gas. So when this happened, these rubbers block the passage of this AC condenser. So your gas is not able to pass. And so every other thing suffers. Like every other thing suffers from either low supply of gas or deaths in the system and blockage. And so it can go ahead to ruin every other thing, because even your compressor will, suffer from, lack of return. So it's just working empty. Your system will be dry. Because why? Nothing is going through. Your condenser is already blocked. So the part where I'm cutting is the first chamber where the gas gets into.